welcome to my space. Today, let me introduce you my new friend. This is a Juki sewing machine, a stitching machine. The right word is stitching machine. And why do I get this machine? This is because I started on January a training on fashion trade, and everything starts with sewing and making patterns. And this is a wish, a dream I had when I was a child. So I'm on my way to make it true. But today it gave me a hard time. This machine gave me a hard time because everything didn't work the way I like it works. Yes. What should I do? I have problem with the coil. I don't know how to do with it. And it ended up with me asking help on a platform, and I hope I get some answers tomorrow, because I really like to end the week with an handiwork. I hope I can show it to you here on my space. My first handiwork with the sewing machine. Yes. But at the end of the afternoon, I felt a little bit upset. Yes. Because I had spent so much time and I had nothing as a result. So in this moment, I like to remain in my body, to tune into my body and to feel my feeling. Yes, I like feeling my feeling in this moment. And this made me more peaceful. Yes. This is not a serious problem. I can resolve it. And this evening, I plan to record this, and then I will take a shower and give me a full hour of body care. Yes. And then I go to bed, and tomorrow I'll be back right there. And I try again. So let's see us tomorrow. And I hope I can show you my handiwork. Whatever it looks like. And yes, have a nice evening and see you tomorrow.